Lathe speed, I've got this at about 1800. I'm going to start with my rougher, which is the round one here. I'm going to lay this on here. Again, I want to be parallel with the floor, and I'm going straight in. If you look at this, if I take this and just scratch it, I am at or below center right there, and that's where I want to be. So I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to come in and just lightly, and my definition of light and yours are two different things. That's not light, okay? Just nice and easy, just taking it slow, just like this. And this is going to round this over. And I start in the center and I work out toward the edges. I don't start at the edge and go in, because if I get a catch, I can ruin the piece right away. Okay, this is nice and easy. Just taking it slow back and forth. Once I get this round, I'm going to switch over. I'm going to switch over to my other tool. Okay, and now I'm going to use this, the finisher. I've got my tool rest nice and close. I'm at center. And when you use this with a negative rake, if you're doing it properly, you're going to see that the shavings come straight up in the air like they are. They're going straight up just like this. And so I'm going to just take this, I'm going to keep working this all the way down to the bushing. Okay, so now I'm just going to lightly, as I said, go like this with the negative rake. And the negative rake, the angle on your regular high speed or in your regular carbide, it's flat right across the top. You can see that. And your negative rake, the edge is flowing down a little bit. So when the piece comes around, it hits that flat spot and it makes it nice and smooth cut all the way through. And so now this is completely round, and I would continue doing this all the way through to get it down to the bushings.